watching the new moon sighting. It felt like a good enlightening. This day is so bright as the first Tarawih is tonight. With family around a nice meal, we're making dua and I feel how nice it is to be so near to those I love. Whenever we think of Ramadan, all the good things that we need to do and plan, it's not always easy, but we'll do the best we can. Now that evil's wrapped in chains, only the very best of us remains. We feel the serenity with faith in the Almighty. A time for charity, a time for love and unity, for peace and mercy. We can do this easily. A time to see how beautiful Islam can be. Thanks to peace and mercy, we can do this easily. Ya Ramadan, we need to say goodbye. Your departure is soon and we'll try to hold on and make it better every day. By helping others we intensify our love for Allah, we glorify. We focus on the future, our deen is our cure. Ya Allah, purify our soul. Attaining paradise is our goal. We'll continue to obey you and make the best of life. Ya Allah, help us to remain in the Ramadan spirit again, maintaining our intentions pure and sincere. A time for charity, a time for love and unity, for peace and mercy. We can do this easily. A time to see how beautiful Islam can be. Thanks to peace and mercy, we can do this easily. Ya شهرا كريم كم أنت عظيم، رمضان لك سلام. يا شهر الصيام رمضان.
let's go. Ini siapa? Lama kayak lah sih kan?
Bize ama bir şey yok.
Ah. Det är lära en till gå du.
Bakın,